21%. Wind was west at 9 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.96 inches. And special weather statement for the following areas in California: Orange County Inland, San Bernardino and Riverside County Valleys, the Inland Empire and Santa Ana Mountains and foothills. A strong thunderstorm over the southwest inland empire will move west across southern Orange County through 4:30 p.m.
At 3:51 p.m. Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Lake Elsinore moving west at 20 miles per hour toward Trabuco Island, Portola Hills. Hazard, winds in excess of source. Radar indicated. Impact. Gusty winds down tree limbs, damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Mission Viejo, Lake Elsinore, Rancho Santa Margarita, Trabuco Canyon, Ortega Highway, Eastern Silverado, Portola Hills, and frequent lightning is occurring from this storm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle.